everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, and today I'm going to do a kind of like mini review on my newest handbag, which is the Burberry Note Bag. I'm just going to talk about the features that I really like and maybe where some improvements could be made. So if you are considering this handbag, yeah, it will be a worthwhile video to watch. I know before I bought this handbag, I looked on YouTube for review videos, and I think I found two. I'm not sure if it's much of a popular bag, but I don't know, I'm sure there's quite a bit of people that are interested in it, so I thought I'd make a video. So this is called the Burberry Note Bag, and this is in the larger size. So there's actually two sizes. There is a smaller one, which is almost a wallet on chain size. It's a little bit bigger than that. And then this is the larger one. So it comes in two colorways, I believe. Well, no, actually there's full leather versions. So mine has the check fabric, and then for the ones with the check fabric here, there are two colorways. So there's the camel tone. I will put a picture. And then there is the black, which I have. Otherwise, you can get it full leather, so it doesn't have the Burberry check. So if you want like a really understated bag where nobody knows what brand it is, pretty much, I guess, except for the strap, which does show Burberry, you can go for the full leather version. But I'm going to talk about why I wanted this handbag. So for me, what I was looking for is a nice bag. I wanted something designer, something nice that just kind of chic and I enjoy wearing, I really look forward to, but I also wanted something for every day. And as well, I'm not going out that much because of what's going on in the world. So basically, what do? Like, I go grocery shopping, maybe to a coffee shop, and then for a walk. So I'm not really dressing up that much anymore, and I thought I don't have a nice casual style handbag that's just like really easy, kind of carefree, goes with everything, especially for winter. Like, in my mind, this is kind of more of a winter bag. And I was looking online, and I didn't want anything really flashy in terms of the brand. And yeah, and then so I was like looking at Celine. They're pretty expensive. What else did I look at? I started looking at older bags, like on Fashion File stuff. And then another thing too is I didn't want to spend a lot of money. So I wanted the price point under $2,000 for sure, because for everyday wear, I just think when you're spending, in my opinion, I don't care what other people do, but for me, if you're spending over $2,000, that becomes a lot to, I don't know, worry about. I don't want to, I don't want to be like super careful. I don't want to wreck it, but I don't want to be like crazy uptight about my bag. So yeah, anyways, I came to Burberry, settled on Burberry, and I had been thinking about this bag for a while. And for me, what I really like too is the thick strap. I just think adds to the casual element and makes it kind of funky for every day. It's a very, very classic handbag, as you can see, but I think that the strap just makes it a little bit more youthful and adds a contemporary touch to it. I think this is the perfect size for every day, and I'm going to show you guys what I have inside. It's not even full. There's still quite a bit of room. So I'll show you. As you can see, it's not full. And this could easily fit a sunglass case still, or maybe you could even put a bottle of water on top and shut it. The only thing I notice if it starts to get too full is right here will start to bulge out, and it becomes a little bit harder to close. But I will show you quickly what is in here and what's fitting. So I have this little pouch just with some makeup stuff. I have chapstick or lip balm, which I need to put in there, a little hand sanitizer. I have this little card case, a scrunchie, my key to my car. Actually, normally this is on a furry little pom-pom thing, and that fits in there like no problem, but I had it off. A wallet, which is pretty thick. my key case, and then I have this hair tie. And that is it, except for some receipts just in the pocket here. So that's a lot of stuff, and then there's still quite a bit of room. I'll show you the pocket. So it has this front pocket right here, and then there is the main compartment and this little pocket in the back. And I think this little pocket is good for, I mean, you can put your phone in there, you can put receipts, but I also kind of like it for if you don't have a makeup bag, to keep like some lipsticks or lip liners separate and just shove them in there. One thing I would say that is a con, I guess, is that there is no back pocket. And I do notice I find myself wanting to shove my phone in the back, and then I keep realizing, oh yeah, there's no back pocket with this bag. I think it would have been so easy to add a back pocket, but there isn't any. The strap is detachable. I've never removed it yet, but you can undo it. Just want to see how hard oh wow, it seems really hard. Like, unless it's just fake that you can take it off, I think it's real. Is it? I mean, I don't know why they would put this here if you can't. I think you can, but you know what? Just from me pulling on it already, it's making this tab flare. Whereas, see, look at this side, it's completely flat, and I don't like that. So that kind of sucks that I did that. I mean, if you really want, you can yank it off and put a plain thin strap on. I'll show you guys. It says Burberry. I still have the sticker on this part. I removed the sticker here today, but I cannot remove the sticker. I don't know how to get it off. It just won't come off. I keep trying to get my nail in there, and I can't get it off. So if you guys have a way to get it off, some secret way to get it off, just let me know in the comments, please. This will scratch for sure, but I mean, what are you gonna do? And then there are the little grommets here, and these also say Burberry. What's really awesome about this bag, one of the best things, I love it, I wish all handbags were like this, is the ease of use. Like, you never ever have to think when you shut your bag. You never have to like search around for the little thing, get it in the right place, or push, or you know when your bag's not that full and some things need to clip in and it's hard because it's just flimsy because it's not full. Well, this bag always shuts perfectly because under here, like here and here, are magnets where these touch. Like there's magnets in this flap here and it comes together. So it always sorts itself out and closes flush. So I just think that's a really thoughtful feature with this handbag, and I really, really like it. What is also really great about this bag is the adjustable strap. So you can make it really short if you just want to wear it on your shoulder like this, or of course crossbody. And I will show you guys some mod shots. One thing I'm annoyed about, and I don't know if I can fix or not, is how, if you guys can see, it's ripply, and this is the back side of where it says Burberry. I don't like how it's rippled like that. It really bugs me. I feel that it looks cheap. It really annoys me. I don't know why it's like that. I don't know if other people are having this issue. Anyways, I was thinking about ironing it. Maybe that will get rid of it. Maybe put a towel on top and then iron it. This bag retails for $17.50 in Canada, I believe. I think that the smaller version was $13.50 Canadian. What else do I have to mention? I went and grabbed a measuring tape so I can just let you guys know the dimensions. Oh, here is an annoyance though, is when you just grab the bag without like adjusting the strap like to straighten or whatever, it does this. And it's actually really annoying to get it straight. It's just, I don't know, it's not that big of a deal, but it's just a pain in the ass when you're just wanting to grab it and like shove it on your shoulder quickly. Okay, so the length of the bag is 9 inches and 3/4. And then the height of the bag, oopsies, I don't want to scratch it with this, is about 7 inches. And then the width at the bottom anyways is 3.5 inches. I'm going to show you some mod shots now. Okay, hopefully you can see me okay. It's really hard to tell on this. I'm using my phone and I just look blown out, I feel like. Okay, so I have the strap adjusted so it sits a little bit higher. When I wear it crossbody, it drives me nuts when it's lower and banging on my hip, and then it feels also like it sticks out more. So I like it down here. Also too, I like the style where you wear it like crossbody, but it's up here. I think that's really cute. But so this is it. With me, I am 5'6" in height. I'll show you how long it goes in case you're curious. Actually, I don't want to show you how long it goes because it goes really long. I mean, maybe. Okay. Okay, so just for curiosity purposes, I made the strap as long as it can go. I am 5'6", so if you are like 5'9" or something, this would still work because it's really, really long. And I mean, there's still like an inch or something you could drop it a bit more. And you can also wear it on your shoulders, so I adjusted it as short as it could go. And this is what it looks like on me. Again, I'm 5'6", so it's just hitting my hip bone basically. I think, where's my hip bone? Yeah, I mean, the outfit I'm wearing, it's just like uber casual. I just went for a walk and this is what I was wearing. But it's not like the cutest outfit for the bag, so I'm sorry I'm not really representing it well. But yeah, I'll show you guys with the puffer coat. Okay, so here is a kind of thinner puffer coat, something you'd wear in like the fall or spring, or maybe even in the winter depending where you live. But so this is what it looks like. I made it a little bit longer. I don't think I'd normally wear it this low, maybe up here, but just to show you with different looks. Like, okay, so I hate how this light is on. Just hang on, I'm gonna shut this off. So yeah, with a coat like this is how it looks. And I will show you what it looks like with a super puffer, just in case that's what you usually wear. This is what it looks like with my super puffer. This is the Super Puff from Aritzia. And I think what I like about it is I feel like this bag goes with this. Like, this pop of color just really does not suit the whole theme here, but yeah. And I brought up the strap, or I shortened the strap a little bit, just to show you how I like to wear it, kind of up here. I think it looks really good. But you see, you can't really notice where it says Burberry on the strap. I mean, here you can, but like, bam, no you can't. So, and then I'm also going to show you what it looks like with a wool coat, just in case you're not a puffer wearer. And this is my wool coat, so you can see it's just really casual and really easy to wear, and I think it actually looks best with this coat for sure. This is really cute. Like, I really like it. It's super cute. I think it's such a perfect size as well. It's big enough to hold everything you need, but it's not like overly big where it's in your way, you know what I mean? Or it's not going to get too heavy. It's just a really perfect size in my opinion. And I really like it. So cute. I did forget to mention, there is one thing that I never factored in or considered when I got this bag, and that is the way it will wear. So I really hope there's enough light in here for you guys. It seems a bit dark, but because this leather comes to a point, the way they made it, I do know these corners are going to wear really quickly, which sucks. Like this won't as much just because it's curved, but the way that they stopped it there and tucked it in, that's definitely going to wear. And even in the store, it looked like the brand new ones. I compared both of them, the ones the guy showed me, and it already looked a slight bit rubbed. And I don't know if it is or it's just from manufacturing and the what's this called, like the trim. It's like a rubbery, I don't know what this is called, but it's almost like it just, because they can't get to all of it, so maybe it's just a kind of a bit of the suede, like the underneath of the leather slightly showing. But either way, it will wear probably pretty fast on these corners. Yeah, so something to keep in mind. Otherwise, I think this is a really, really good bag. So overall, even though this is an expensive bag, I do feel like for in the designer kind of realm of things, it is on the lower end. To find a larger size handbag with pockets and everything at Louis Vuitton will probably run you at least $3,000, $4,000 easily. At Dior, I mean, everything is so expensive. You're probably not going to get anything for less than $4,000 at all, even if that. Chanel, if you follow designer bags, you know Chanel has increased their prices so many times in the past 2 years, and I mean, everything is just so ridiculously expensive. Yeah, I just feel like Burberry offers, like it's a really good, it's not a good deal. I don't know how to say it, but I mean, it's still ridiculously expensive, but it's a good option if you don't want to spend a lot of money, but you still want a nicer, luxurious, designer, like, I hate the word luxurious because I mean, I don't know. I guess some things, yeah, for sure they're nicer, but I mean designer brand. Yeah, I feel like it's a really good option. And you know what? A lot of their bags are, so definitely check them out. They had a lot of nice things. I really, really like Burberry. I'm actually obsessed right now. There's so many things I want from there. It's just such a classic, chic brand in my opinion, and just very user-friendly, very practical items, very wearable. Yeah, just an awesome brand. So thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you got something out of this video, especially if you've been looking at this handbag. If I didn't answer any of your questions, or if there's something I forgot to talk about, please do leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please do click like. I really appreciate it. It helps the algorithm. And then also please consider subscribing, as I have been on here and I'm like the worst at getting subscribers for some reason, but I never ask for it in my videos. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please do consider subscribing. I would really love to have you here, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, so when I was done filming this video, I sat down and I just started picking at the sticker, and after a few minutes, I actually got it off. So I wanted to show you guys just kind of like how shiny it looks without the sticker, and then a better, where are we? Why? Everything's backwards from my viewfinder. Yeah, just how it says Burberry England there. And, yeah, so I'm really happy that I got the sticker off. I was sitting there for a few minutes and I'm thinking like, I am never going to get this sticker off. I cannot get a hold of it at all. And then finally I did. So super happy. Bye.